And we back once again, this time with the pups. What are you guys doing? If you haven't already started the 24 days of JavaScriptMas, 24 challenges coming through every advent calendar. I got pups to feed. I need you to take this, okay? Look at this dog. Do you really not want to support my baby girl? Is that what type of person you are? I don't think so. I think you're going to jump on the 24 days of JavaScriptMas algorithm challenges by Scrimba and your boy. Again, by clicking the Join JavaScriptMas. New challenge every single day. Still not too late. New prizes every day, whether it is the free pro, which a new winner every day, or the $1,000 that you could win, or the lifetime membership, all by ya boy. Let's go ahead and take a look at another challenge that I'll be working through with my pups here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, happy holidays. Let's get going. So as you go and you start getting tested on some of these more algorithm items, like this one here, when you're interviewing at a company, they're going to see how you think logically. And these are great ways to practice. But a problem that I suffered with when I was first starting to solve algorithm type problems and logic puzzles was writing code before I fully understood it. And also, as an interviewer, it's very apparent that sometimes people don't understand the concept behind them. So let's make sure that we fully understand the problem. And I'll give you some tips and tricks for when you're interviewing at those large companies, like, the Facebooks, the Googles, the Microsoft, the Amazons, as well as the smaller dev shops that are out there. So extract matrix column, given a rectangular matrix and an integer column, return an array containing the elements of the column of the given matrix. The leftmost column is the 0, 1, because we're of course starting at the 0 index. So given column 2 here, we're expecting a return of 1, 0, 3. So what is that? 1, 0, 3. Now, one thing I always do when I interview at companies and I have a webcam on is I always have like a little whiteboard like this. And this is a good problem for you to go and showcase a little bit of that you understand the problem. So to look at a two-dimensional array, just for a little bit of visualization here, to give an example, the column, a two-dimensional array, is nothing more than a grid, really, at the end of the day. So if you were to draw this out, if I was interviewing, I'd draw this out. I'd do it something like here, and make the point that I actually fully understand the problem. So let's draw it out. 1, 1, 1, 2. That's the first. 0, 5, 0, 4. And then the third one, we have 2, 1, 3, 6. So by drawing this out, we fully understand that this is a two-dimensional column, and we can make the two-dimensional grid and how we're going to get the answer. Now that we've done that, let's go ahead and actually write some code. All right, so now that we've done that, let's go ahead and jump into the code here. And hopefully, based off of understanding the problem, a little bit of whiteboarding, we can go and get to where we need to. So we found out that we need to, in fact, store some columns. That's what we're returning back. So we can call them n columns, right? Because that's really what we're looking for. Whatever the column number is, or the column, or n columns is a little bit easier to say. You can also call it matrix columns. Now, once we have that, what do we really need to do? Well, we can use a loop here. We'll say let row. Remember, we're talking about a column grid, so we have rows and columns of our matrix that's coming in, or that grid. And all we want to do here is take our nth column and push in the current row based on the column value. It's that simple. And finally, go ahead and just return n columns. And we're done. It's as easy as that. You can see our test suite up to the right passes. Everything's good to go. Now, you may have found this a little bit more complicated. You may have done this before. For traditional for loop, I personally would recommend a for of loop whenever you can, because I think it's more readable. But the simplicity of this problem is really understanding what is being asked and being able to provide a solution. So pretty much as close to a one-line solution as you can get while still being readable. But I hope you enjoyed this. And I hope you enjoyed a little bit of the whiteboard and a little bit of the understanding. And I hope you go and check out the Scrimba Advent Calendar with your boy and BOI, not BOY, and have some fun with it. And I wish you all a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, a happy Hanukkah, a Kwanzaa, whatever it is you're celebrating. Just know I hope you all enjoy it. It's been quite the year for a lot of us in 2020, and I hope to see you in 2021 stronger, better, and cleaner developers. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to check out my latest course, the 100 Front-End Interview Questions Challenge, to make sure that you ace those front-end interviews. Smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.